Alright, what's up? How's everybody doing today? Today I'm going to be installing these car LED lights that I got. Check it out, high quality stuff. It's made in China. So this is what it comes with. 4 light strips. Got this little infrared controller here for the music. So it dances and stuff, it jumps around. So I got that. That came with the package. Also came with the remote here. Came with the remote. There's the charger for the AC adapter. There's the good old instructions, easy to read, nice and clear. Yeah, I know it's a little bit rice, but I've been wanting to put this in the hard body for a little while. I hope it'll work here in the hard body because I don't have like the 110 adapter, the DC adapter, whatever it's called. All I have is a cigarette lighter, so I'm hoping it'll work, but we'll see how it goes, guys. Stick around. Right to the trash. Alright, so I ended up having to put the LEDs in the Lexus because the cigarette lighter, for some reason, it doesn't work. It has to be like an AC adapter kind of thing, the voltage one. So I put it in my console here, ran the wires. You can kind of see them. I'm going to tuck them in a little bit better now in a second. I got them under the seats, and I'm going to figure out a place now in a minute. But like I said, I want to tuck the wires a lot better, get them all nice and neat, and then I'm going to stash them. Check it out. So I'm kind of thinking something like down there, but hidden, so you can't really see. Something like that, maybe like that. But yeah, just some down there, just stashed. Like I said, there's a wire right there. I need to figure out a way to just stash them. That's not exactly where I wanted to put them. This was gonna go in the hard body, but like I said, they didn't work in the hard body. And I tried it on this cigarette lighter just to see if they were gonna work, but this is just a regular cigarette lighter, so that didn't work. So what I did is I just put them in the console here. Let's see if I can open. There's all kinds of shit in here. See all those wires and stuff. I need to just figure out a way to clean it up, tidy it up, stash everything. And then like I said, I got some right there that I want to try to tuck. Get it where nobody can really see. See in there's some wires and stuff. I want to try to clean all that up. Need to have this little guy sticking out though somewhere so I can use the remote. But yeah, guys, just doing that today, putting them in. Like I said, I was gonna put them in the truck, but that didn't work out, so I just tried them in the Lexus. I was gonna stick them in the Miata over there, but I think it was gonna be the same thing with the cigarette lighter. It's not really the adapter, right? The charger. Alright, so I waited till the nighttime just to show you guys some better shots. Check it out. This is it. I have music playing in the background, but I turned it off so I don't get a copyright strike. But yeah, check it out, guys. It's dance mode right now, or like music mode is what it is. Not dance, sorry. It actually worked out pretty good. It is a decent quality for what I paid. I think I paid like maybe 12 bucks or something like that from Amazon. But yeah, guys, it was worth it. It's not a permanent thing, so I'm not too worried about it. I had to wait till it got real dark so I could show you guys these shots here. So before I showed you just like the dance or the jump mode or something like that it's called. Now I'm just going through all the lights there, single, you see blue, green, red. It's like a teal color. Now it's doing the jumping, the dance, It's got a few different modes. It's actually pretty cool. It's a cool little thing. Kind of ricey, but it was cool. Like I said, it's not permanent. Just something I wanted to do in the truck, but ended up in the Lexus, and it doesn't look too bad. Alright, everybody. So that's probably going to be it for this quick little video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to comment down below. Make sure to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.